Ray Flores covering Colorado first.
We are ready for this to move out.
Yeah, and we need some good rain showers, good strong wind. Just aren't getting it, so the haze just continues to perpetuate. Not only the fires in our state, but all over the West. Yeah, so not a good thing, right? Let's go outside, take a look right now. Oh, well, look what we're talking about. There it is again. You can hardly see the buildings, as you just heard. And from this angle, boy, you can really see that hazy, smoky skies in there, but we've seen this for weeks now. As we take a look at our Doppler 4000, just a few widely scattered showers and thunderstorms all dying down right now. So in the hour by hour, they all drift away over about the next hour's time or so. Then we go to partly cloudy skies overnight. Tomorrow, a few scattered showers push across once again. They're hit and miss, as you know. And then for Sunday, we have a little greater chance for showers, I think, especially south of Denver into the mountain areas. And then a little splotch right there on the eastern plains. And then on Monday, same situation, maybe a little more widespread as far as the showers and thunderstorms go, but they will be generally light. As we take a look at the west, you can see all that moisture still in our area because the front is well to the north and stationary. So big high pressure ridge builds in again. That's going to get that warm weather pushing right on into Colorado as well. Showers and a few thunderstorms over the northeast and certainly over the south. And that, of course, is because of Irma. That is down there, and that is the Category 4 storm. And we think it's going to stay a Category 4 storm as it just goes along northern Cuba. You can see it's 155-mile-an-hour winds, 156. It becomes a Category 5. It's moving west at 12. So that's what it is. All across northern Cuba, it'll stay a Category 4 because it's just going to be touching land. But then in the space right here where you see no land, we think it becomes a little stronger, becomes a Category 5 when it finally makes landfall over Florida. Going to stay pretty strong all the way up to north of Orlando where it's a Category 4. In Atlanta, it'll still be a tropical storm, but not until it gets into southern Tennessee does it become a tropical depression, then a group of rain showers, then it begins to die down. As we take a look, there we have 3 storms out there, 2 Category 4s and a Category 2. This is Katia that is going over Mexico with winds of 105 miles an hour. Just talked about Irma. Right behind it, Jose. But see the front moving through? That is going to deflect this. So it will not follow Irma toward the U.S. It will be out at sea. 85 and 87 is what we did today after starts at 55 and 56. 82 and 51 are normal. 94 in 1959. 3 years later, we had the record low of 31 degrees. 82 and 80 right now. Northwest 6 for the winds. 30% humidity. We got a falling barometer. And you can see there is from the Deer Creek fire near Hayden, all that smoke just being pumped into the skies, and then it just gets into our airflow, and that's what we've seen. But here's some good news. Dustin Schaefer says they're testing the snow guns up at the Loveland ski area. Looks like they're working pretty good. Temperatures for tonight, mostly in the 50s over the eastern plains, 40s for the mountains, 50s and 60s to the west. And then for tomorrow, a little bit warmer around here, 80s and 90s for the eastern plains, 60s, 70s, low 80s for the mountains, and out west, temperatures in the 80s and lower 90s. Everybody a little bit warmer than normal for this time of year. Here's the forecast. For tonight, isolated storms and partly cloudy skies, 59 and 58. For tomorrow, we'll look for partly cloudy skies, staying smoky still. Maybe an isolated storm right around that 90-degree mark. And then for the next several days, upper 80s to around 90 degrees takes us right into the middle of next week. All right, we had a great visit with the entire 5th grade at Bear Canyon Elementary, the Highlands Ranch School, part of the Weather Watcher team, by the way. Dave Aguilera stopped by to talk about Colorado weather. The kids got together to make a twister in Dave's tornado machine, had a chance to make it snow, and we thank teacher Deborah Charlton for shooting the video. And you know what they did? They had a big rock in front, and they painted it with a CBS 4 logo and Dave's name to welcome him to the school.
You know, they get so much exercise waving. Do they still have PE
that's good.
on the
not on these days.
No,
right?
probably not.
Thanks, Dad.